What's up, everyone? John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo here. There are few things in life you can always use more of. You can always use more love, you can always use more friends, you can always use some more money, and you always need more G's. Well, now we've got an extra G from what we had before. You can see that's 4 G's, which beats 3 G's by 1. We've got an unboxing of the Samsung 4G LTE SCHLG11, LC11 actually. It is a 4G mobile hotspot. You can play a drinking game at home for how many times I say 4G. It's a mobile hotspot. It replaces the MiFi 2200, which was previously in Verizon's lineup as their main MiFi device, which is only 3G. We'll take a look at that guy in just a minute. Let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So that was a crazy long intro. I'm feeling one of my little bit silly moods, so bear with me with this one, guys. Let's go ahead and run through some prices. This is going to set you back $270 if you decide you don't want to sign a 2-year data contract, which is the route that I recommend, because at the rate these things come out and the rate that wireless networks are changing, you definitely might not want to be stuck into a 2-year contract. If you do want to go the 2-year route, however, it'll cost you $99.99 on contract. And to get all of your data, you can either get one of 2 plans. You can get 5 gigabytes for $50 with $10 over per gigabyte, or if you are a heavy internet user, you can get 10 gigs for $80 and that same $10 per. If you ever used any sort of MiFi, this is going to look pretty identical to anything else. It looks like a few credit cards stacked. You may have seen what the MiFi 2200 looks like. I'll go ahead and whip it out and show you for size comparisons here. There's the MiFi, there's the Samsung 4G one. They look exactly the same, minus a few buttons. This one letting you know that the 4G is there. Go ahead and turn it on for just a minute, and I'll show you what some of them LED looks like. Inside the box, I'm guessing you guys can guess what's in here. Nothing overly fancy schmancy. Got a power cord to go into the wall with a connection on the end for USB, which gets used with this cord right here. It's got micro USB for charging, and it's a cord. Always funny to see these now in Verizon boxes. Actually, it's a SIM card, which this was sent by Verizon for review, so they actually already installed the SIM card, but that's where the SIM card lives. You've got some instructions here for how to use this. Nothing terribly fancy, how to log in. You can treat this just like any sort of wireless router, and you can change your password and change your network name and all that stuff, and then some master your device, things I can't get out. So here is the device, and you know it's working, and you know you got 4G when it's all green. If you're not in a 4G area, you can use this as a 3G hotspot. 4G will technically get you possibly, perhaps, if you're lucky, 10 times faster than 3G. Look at the back of it. I had to look for a while for where the SIM card would go. Right there is where you're going to get your charge on. But this actually does have a removable back, which is kind of nice. Let's go ahead and remove said back. I'll do a little striptease music here as I pull this off. So I have removed the back. I got my finger covering all of that network information business. Here is the battery. Realistically, you'll probably get about 4 or so hours of a battery life. You can keep it charged while you're using it, so you can plug it into the wall or plug it into your computer, whatever. There's where your SIM card lives. Pretty standard battery fare here. 3.7 volt battery. In case you're wondering or keeping track at home, go ahead and pop that mamma jamma back in. I'm going to do some speed comparisons here with some other 4G devices that we've got kicking around. We have no shortage of data options here at Techno Buffalo. We've got Verizon's actually one of their first 4G options. This is the Pantech modem that's plugged directly into the computer. Speed tests are always fun, so stay tuned for another video seeing which one is faster, whether or not using Wi-Fi or plugging directly into USB. It's going to be quicker. I'm guessing, if I was a betting man, that plugging into USB is going to be quicker than using the MiFi, but I've been wrong many times, as my wife will tell you, so we can see if this is one of those cases. Anyway, guys, I'm John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo. This has been an unboxing of the Samsung SGH LC11. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.